Hello everyone. First of all, I want to congratulate all of you on being admitted to the IACS Master's Program. My name is Yue Sun. I'm a second-year CSE student in the MBA track. I came straight from undergrad. I did my undergrad at NYU Shanghai and I majored in mathematics. So I'll be mostly sharing with you my CSE experience. So in total, we'll have to take 8 courses. The first year is mostly dedicated to coursework. The second year is mostly dedicated to research. So I took 8 courses in my first year here, 2 of which are the seminar course and independent study. Last semester I took 2 courses, and this semester I'm not taking any classes, just doing my research. So I think a nice thing about the CSE curriculum is, in addition to the core courses, you can choose your electives to center around your own research interest. So 2 of my favorite courses are AM 225 Advanced Numerical Methods, which is the continuation of AM 205, the core requirements for CSE. And my second favorite course is AC290R, a project-based course in high-performance computing and parallel computing. So the reasons that I really enjoy both courses are, first, I get to learn a lot of numerical methods and having a fairly good understanding in a number of them. And second is I get to learn C++ and practice this language a lot in the assignments. And the third reason is that both courses touch upon fluids, which happens to be my research interest. So my research interest is mostly computational fluid dynamics, and this year I'm working on my master's thesis. The topic is around fluid structure interaction. So mostly I'm looking at a deformable solid that has been immersed in water. I'm trying to describe the interface between the solid and fluid using a more performant and easier to implement numerical methods. So one application of this method would be in animation. So if you have an ocean and you have some seaweed under the water and you're trying to simulate how the seaweed is moving with the flow, so this method might come in handy. As for my research, so far, and I think I still will, I really enjoyed it. And I like my research topic. I like working with my advisor. So given the nature of my research, I don't necessarily have to sit in a lab or do experiments. All I need mostly is a computer and some scratch paper. But I did have 2 or 3 months that I just dedicated to reading papers and textbooks and getting myself familiar with the concepts behind the methods. I meet with my advisor on the bi-weekly, now is weekly basis, given the needs. I would prepare some results and questions every time I go see him, and he will help me answering those questions and guide me through each step. Like even now, we would have Zoom coding sessions just to push things forward. Another thing I want to share with you from my CSE experience is the group of people that I meet here. So I really enjoy talking with my cohort, like after class, in the lounge, during happy hours. I always learn so much from them during our conversations. I think this is an invaluable experience to me, to be surrounded by a group of hardworking and smart people. I have especially enjoyed my group project experience. I think my group mates are amazing, and we did some pretty good results together. And there are so many good things I want to share with you about IACS, the seminar series, which gives me a good opportunity to learn more research outside of my own domain. Like I get to learn what's going on in machine learning, in data science, and computational science. And also I've mentioned the happy hour. You get to meet all of your friends, have nice food and a drink. So I really hope that you could be here in person to meet the amazing team here, the amazing staff here, and see the campus yourself. So if you have any question, please don't hesitate to contact me. And I'm really looking forward to seeing all of you here this fall.